Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. I'm just going to make a quick little video about these lights again. I did find the solution to the problem with the signal lights. It boiled down to the wrong flasher. Did a little bit of research, and yeah, you can get a couple different relays to run LED lights. You can get one with a chip in it, like a circuit board. Those are called solid state. When they flash, they don't make any noise. They just flash, and there's none of that, like, right? The one that I have here, it's got the circuit board in it with the chip, but it also has a relay in it, so it makes a noise when it clicks in and out. So yeah, got that. Just went down to CarQuest, grabbed that real quick, plugged it into the flasher port, and yeah, they worked. So problem solved there. Also, another thing that I was going to figure out was the side marker lights flashing as signal lights. I did a little bit of research on that, and everything boiled down to people saying that you needed relays to do it. So I got a couple relays, and I went to wire it up, and I realized that I didn't have to have relays. So what we've got going on here is quite a mess, but that's because I tore apart the whole light harness, both sides, stripped it all out, and I'm just going through it, and there's some stuff I could eliminate. But basically, to get your side marker lights to blink, these are my signal light wires here. I've got two because I've got two halos on these lights, and I made them both flash, so that's why that's split. But this blue wire right here is from the wiring harness for the signal lights. You want to split that down to your marker light, and that's going to go to your negative. Okay, so that's going to act like a ground when it's not flashing, and when it does flash, it'll power it. The other wire, the positive, you want to hook up to your live wire for like marker lights. So I've got that split to my front marker light, side marker light. Yeah, it was as simple as that. No relays, no nothing, just wired up that way, and problem solved. So yeah. But I got both the marker lights in, all four headlights in. The wiring, I'm gonna get it all thrown back together. There's a bunch of other stuff I was messing with, like relays for my fans. The plugs for those are getting bad. I bought a pigtail, so I'm gonna switch that up. Wires for my horn. A couple other things that like I say, I tore the harness all apart, and I'll just get everything wired in. Made the grounds better, whatnot. So I'll give you a demonstration when I have it all loomed back up and a little neater and more tidy than what it is right now. Okay, I've got everything geared up now. There's a little bit of wire looming left to do on a couple things, but you know, I'm not worried about it right now. I'm just going to give you another demonstration of everything. So, one click for marker lights. And that's what we got there, the side marker. And that. These daytime running lights, I did hook those to a keyed switch wire. So, turn the key on, cycle the fuel pump. There they are. Daytime running lights. The next step is headlights. Alright, so we got daytime running lights plus the inside bulbs, 3 of those on the go. Now if we give her the old high beams, as you saw in the last video, this is the blinder right there. Whew. Yeah, so that's 10 bulbs per side, so 20 bulbs plus the daytime running lights. Brutal. Alright, so I'm going to shut the lights off. And I'll show you the signal lights. So, as you can see, that marker light's not flashing. Turn the signal light on. She's flashing. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that. That's what I wanted. Get it geared up that way. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do both, but I set it up as both. So yeah. Like I say, just a quick video to show you how that turned out and give you guys an idea how I did it. Like I say, I was a little stumped on the signal light flasher thing there for a bit, but I got that figured out and then wired in the marker lights. That was super easy. So yeah, so anyone who's doing that, hopefully that helps you out. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. You're just going up against the ledge. Your bumper's driving straight in here.
Yeah, bumper's driving right in. Yeah. And then my question is, why can he walk all this all day and I break back?
That's it, I'm hot.